How to make keto pumpkin pie fat bombs. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: ½ cup butter, ½ cup pumpkin puree, 4-ounce cream cheese, 1/4 cup erythritol, powdered, 2 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, ½ cup pecans. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. Let your butter and cream cheese get to room temp, or melt in the microwave if it's not soft to the touch. 2. Combine the pumpkin puree, butter, and cream cheese together. 3. Once a mixture is formed, add the powdered erythritol and pumpkin pie spice. Mix together until smooth. 4. Pour the mixture into an ice cube tray or candy molds of your choice. 5. Optionally toast up the pecans in an oven at 350 F for 10 minutes, or toast in a pan over medium heat until fragrant. 6. Top the fat bombs with the chopped pecans and press gently. 7. Put in the fridge or freezer until set and can be removed from molds. Then serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 12 servings of keto pumpkin pie fat bombs. Each fat bomb comes out to be 137 calories, 14.1 grams fats, 1.4 grams net carbs, and 1.2 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.